This is where we left off on Thursday. Alright, so I'm going to erase the answer here. And we are taking what I have over here. Oops. Over here, because we had simplified it. And we're doing the quotient rule. So low D high minus high D low square the bottom, and away we go. This is the quotient rule. The quotient rule. Okay, and then we simplify a little. We get 3x squared plus 15x minus, we FOIL here, 6x squared plus 15x minus 2x minus 5. Double check me. I guess I could double check myself by looking at my notes. Yeah, no, that don't help. Okay. Now distributing the minus sign, minus 6x squared, minus 15x, plus 2x, I guess I could have put those together, oh well, and then plus 5.
Well, the 15x is canceled.
Oh, that's nice.
I was going to say, so yeah, I mean, that's fine.
Yeah, we're good. I did that on purpose.
Yeah.
Okay, so this becomes negative 3x squared plus 2x plus 5 all over, why did they do it that way? I don't know. I would leave it as x squared plus 5x squared.
Did they factor?
Well, yeah, they factor out an x there, and then they've made them both squared. They made it x squared and then x plus 5 squared.
I like it better this way.
Yeah, this is fine. If something was going to cancel out, then I'd be like, oh yeah. But nothing does, so look at us.
I say, you messing up kind of worked out.
There we go. Okay, this is a very common question. We asked a question kind of similar to this on the last test where they give you the answer, but then you're expected to show it. And the reason why they do this is because they want you to make it look a specific way. So that's what they're doing on the back here. It says, show using the quotient rule that f prime of x is equal to what they've given us. So on a free response question, this is very common. So we do what we've been taught. That is low D high minus high D low, square the bottom, and away we go. Everybody okay? Nobody in tears yet?
Ashley's not here.
That was me. I was like, that was your friend. Okay. So we have distributing 2x cubed plus 3x squared minus 2x minus 3. Then minus 2x cubed minus 6x squared minus 4x. put two steps like all together, and so I could so see me messing up there. So please feel free to correct me.
When will?
Well, I am so glad. Alrighty, the 2x cubes will cancel. And that's it. So that becomes negative 3x squared, right? Minus 6x minus 3. Now I would be like, hey, that looks good.
You should.
But we've got to get it to match this.
You're going to factor out a 3.
Yep. We got to do a bunch of factoring. See, there was a reason we spent all that time on factoring way back in the day. So if we factor out a negative 3, it leaves me with x squared plus x plus 1. The bottom will factor 2. It's a difference of 2 squares.
It's probably going to be x squared plus x.
Probably so.
Wouldn't that be 2 then?
Sorry, which one? Yes, that is a 2. Oh, sorry. Still had it wrong. That is a 2. I got a little carried away. Okay, so then factor. Yeah, that turns into x plus 1 times x plus 1. So x plus 1 squareds cancel. You get negative 3 over x minus 1 squared, which is what we were trying to get, right?
Yeah.
Woo, woo.
We didn't. So what would happen if we just left it at the one before?
Oh, you'd lose a point, probably. Which, you know, there's really only 16 points, or 18 on the test. Now, they're curved and whatnot, but every point matters. Similar to the product rule, there's a very valuable lesson we must learn here. We are introduced to the quotient rule in the box below. First factor, then simplify the function blah from above, then differentiate using the quotient rule. So this is the problem we had to begin with. And what they're saying is, hey, why don't we factor it first?
What are you going to take out of that?
Well, on top, you can factor out x plus 2 and an x plus 1, right? And on bottom, that's the difference of 2 squares. So see, the x plus 1's cancel. And if I factor this, I should get the same answer that I got up above. Not factor, derive. So f prime of x equals low d high minus high d low, square the bottom, and away we go. So that becomes x minus 1 minus x minus 2